In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing effect using Canva. This effect can really elevate your presentation or video project, giving it a dynamic and eye-catching touch. So, let's get started. First things first, we'll begin by opening Canva. Once you're in, navigate your way to the left-hand side and find the Elements tab. Click on this to access a range of creative tools at your disposal. Here, you'll want to look for the search bar. In the search bar, type what you're looking for. As we are creating a typing effect, you have the freedom to select whichever design appeals to you. Remember, your choice can reflect the overall aesthetic and feel of your project, so pick something that aligns with your vision. Once you've selected your design, take the time to adjust the color if you wish. This customization can ensure that the element seamlessly integrates with the rest of your content. You can also adjust the size to suit your needs, making sure it fits perfectly within your design frame. Next, we're moving on to the text section. Head over to the Text to Text tab, which you'll find in the same menu as Elements. Here, select Add a Subheading, which gives us a grounded text size that's adjustable. Go ahead and paste in the text you want displayed. Now, here comes a vital part of making your typing effect look just right. You'll need to count how many letters your word or phrase has. This step will help determine the number of slides you need in your project, since each slide will showcase one letter at a time. With your letter count in mind, it's time to focus on adjusting the timing of your slides. This is an essential detail to get the effect smooth and readable. For illustration purposes, let's say our word requires us to have 9 slides in total, so we'll need to duplicate our current page 9 times. To build anticipation and direct your viewer's attention expertly, ensure that the first slide remains blank. This acts as a buffer when viewing the final sequence. On each subsequent slide, you will add a letter sequentially until the whole word is displayed. So go ahead and edit each page in Canva accordingly. Start with the first letter on the first slide, adding another letter on the second slide, and continue this process until your word is complete. Now, with all your slides in place, it's time to view the effect in action. Play through your slides and watch as each letter appears one after another, simulating the dynamic typing effect we set out to create. And there you have it, your very own typing effects using Canva. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to add new creative flares to your work.